Okay, let's see if the CX500 can do a lap of the Stony Harescramble course. Ultimate durability test for a street bike built in a garage. Ooh, not tight turning circle. It can fly a little bit. I have to pay attention to my toes. Wheelies are hard. Doesn't have enough travel to be super compliant, and those snowmobile shocks aren't helping. Ooh, okay, you can bottom it. Kind of impressed, but man, does this thing wear you out. It's definitely not cushy. I don't think I want to do more than one lap. The gearing's actually not bad for a freaking street bike that you can't re-gear because it's shaft drive. Ooh, it jumps. £415. Doesn't stop easily. That's wet and slick. We'll take it easy. Wide front wheels trying to climb out. Whew. Not really anything to squeeze your ankles against because of the caps on the swing arm bearings. They push your ankles out. So this really rough stuff, you're kind of stuck with a slow roll. Whew. It's neutral. engine braking from a CX500. Whew. It's kind of wandery. Definitely heat soaking a little bit, and the roughness is making it rich. Floats are bouncing, can feel it and hear it, which means keep the revs up. Yay, CV carbs. Doesn't like that. Not quite enough travel. I don't think I'm going to go over that. I want to test the bike, not break it. 184, 185. It goes. Bang it back down a gear. Woo! 6 inches there, maybe. Probably enough. It definitely likes revs. It's pretty flat off the bottom. That's about all the revs it's got at the bottom for the not enough vacuum for the slides. That's a lap. Do a little brief inspection here. Holy cow, I'm tired. It's fun and it's capable, but it is still a CX500. Forks look good. Doesn't look like they're hitting. Or if they are, it's pretty slight right here. Maybe I'll grind those down. Still got air in the tires. Doesn't look like I picked up any bends. Fan just shut off. Skid plate's still attached. Won't be able to see more of that until I get through and take it off. Air filters are dirty, but not terrible. Shocks are still attached. Didn't break off any mounts. Rear tires got air in it. Fender's still straight. Exhaust is attached. I think this is loose. Yep. Gas tank's loose. But if that's the only thing, then I will take that. Feels really empty. Oh, yeah, if you want to know how much gas is in there, it's totally full. Still, maybe of the 4.5 it holds, it's probably got 3.5 in it, at least. Fender's working. Dude, I'm stoked. Never would have thought a CX would be that good. It's not a dirt bike, but it's capable. It has a dual sport. Whew.